The moment that I know I've been waiting for. It's dinner time. I'm having in Turkey this problem that's not really a problem where I can't pick what to eat because I want to eat all of it. It's the paralysis of analysis. It's overwhelmed by choice.
Yes.
And so I just keep walking like up and down and then finally just decided I needed to eat before I pass out. But there are just so many things that look good. We're in a forest in Finland. There's a river beside us that just looks like glass. It's absolutely perfect. Like when I think, oh, I'm gonna have a barbecue in Finland. This is exactly my fantasy right now. What we are experiencing.
I haven't eaten since breakfast. Do you understand how excited I am right now to eat?
Yes, because I also haven't eaten since
contain
breakfast.
my excitement.
That's my favorite.
Yeah?
That's my favorite. Wait till you try this.
Okay.
You know what I said about sharing?
Not, it's off the table.
I'm rethinking it now. We might need to order another babka.
Fine, then the Draniki's all mine.
How's your sandwich?
It's really good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Made all the better by this insane backdrop. What, are you not supposed to eat the outer shell?
The man loves potatoes. The bigger the better.
Exactly.
Man is full of pancakes.
This is just disgusting. Don't even show me this.
Did you say it's disgusting?
Don't even show this.
Oh, we're showing it. We're showing all of it. This man loves pancakes. And you know what? Any soup that brings its own bowl and has its own hat, that's a soup I want to get to know.
That's true.
A soup with its own outfit. Bon appetit, or no, I mean smacznego. 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 I'm already counting how many days we have left in Turkey and mentally calculating how many more times I can have Turkish breakfast. I guess I like it.
Might have to extend our stay.
Maybe. She said a little bite.
I wasn't listening.
You just watched me do it. That's a happy, happy man.
Got me some Ruski pierogies. Sitting here in Krakow. Life does not get much better.
No?
It really doesn't. We just had a really cute moment with the woman that works here because I asked if she had butter.
Yeah.
And then she pulled up batteries.
Yeah.
So cute. And then she said, "Oh no, you mean spoon?" And then she pulled out a spoon.
I went like this, like no, it's something that you eat.
Yeah.
And I should have gone like this.
Right.
So anyway.
Anyways.
Now we know that sweet is butter.
Is butter, yeah. I think we have the essentials.
Toast, spear, eggs, milk.
Milk for coffee.
We already have some coffee.
Yeah. That's right.
It's a life philosophy and a beverage choice.
And back to our favorite little shop here.
My favorite durum.
Yeah.
It's with chicken and cheddar cheese. And of course they put like vegetables and some sauce.
Yeah. I love you.
All right, he's kissing the durum, guys.
The durum.
It's come to this. Turns out in Lithuania, I like mushrooms. No one is more surprised than me, let me tell you. Is there anything I don't like in Lithuania? God, even mushroom soup tastes good.
Too heavy for the fork.
Oh dear. Just give it a blow.
I can cook you another one.
No, it's fine.
It's completely okay.
How's that finished dirt?
I feel more at one with nature, actually.
Now it's inside you too.
Inside.
Coffee, bakery,
Mill Island.
Mill Island, sunny day.
Yeah.
I'm very happy right now.
I think it's safe to say you've probably never had A, a picnic in Norway, and B, a picnic in the back of a car.
Not a station wagon.
Nor have I.
This is so spacious.
Yeah.
The focus here is all on sustainability and keeping the cycle of food production moving in a circle inside the restaurant. So the waste from all of the vertical farms is actually fed to crickets that they have living here in the restaurant. And you might not see them unless you know where to look. I'm sitting right underneath a light and the crickets actually live inside the lights. So they eat what's left over from the vertical farms and then they in turn sometimes end up on the menu. Oh my god. I'm getting hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Yay! I'm so excited.
You wanted it. You got it.
I didn't think they'd actually have it.
When I asked her if they had hot chocolate, she said, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be a good night.
I would just like to say that Mark and I have just left the Grand Bazaar. And now we're sitting outside on tiny little stools eating cheese and spinach pita with freshly squeezed orange and pomegranate mixed juice. I'm with Mark. I'm in Istanbul. I'm feeling very happy.
Yes, I am too.
I just wanted to tell you. Now let's make you dance. We had a potato dance. It would be wrong to not have a bacon dance too.
I guess we have a new national dance here in Lithuania.
So how the dessert makes
That's
you
how
feel?
you know dessert has arrived. My dessert dance. Oh my god. Why don't I eat plums more? If you eat plums, let me know. And tell me more ways that I can eat plums, because I need more plums in my life.
Oh wow.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thanks.
Cheers.
We just bought the Solid here, and they sell mini donuts, and he just came over and gave us two.
I guess it just wouldn't be right having salad by itself without a mini donut.
That's so kind. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
You're looking at it so lovingly.
I know.
Before you even try it.
Nothing like warm apple nalesniki.
This caramel sauce, I don't even know how to describe it to you. Imagine like the best buttered popcorn you've ever had with black licorice and caramel, and then that sort of melts away and you get the frozen tart explosion of the cranberry. Oh, what an amazingly brilliant combination. Okay, be right back. Have another bite.
Look at that. Oh my god. That might be one of the best desserts I've ever had.
You look like you're gonna cry, which is how I felt.
I know. Like, I actually feel emotional about this dessert. that might be a first, actually.
Oh my god. Do you remember how to say gingerbread in Finnish?
Oh my god. Watch out.
The birds like cinnamon buns too. Mark has snuggled up next to me, and I think the reason is that I have one bite of my dessert left.
That's exactly the reason.
You're not fooling me. This is for me, okay?
I thought I could get in on some of that.
No.
Come on. Show me what true love is.
Nope, not today. That's a big brownie.
I'm sorry, I need a minute here.
Love that. Holy rocket boosters, that's good. Oh, sweet lord.
This is nuts.
Really good.
Nuts! I love this.
Well, I promised Mark a hot chocolate, didn't I?
You did, so cheers to that.
Cheers. So we're back. Oh, we just hit the table, sorry. You're raised on, if you could only see you right now, you're on top of a laundry basket, a box of chocolates, and an upside down IKEA bowl. That's our tripod right now, so I almost put you into my hot chocolate. Nostrovia.
Nostrovia.
Cheers.
Bottoms up. Cheers.
Cheers. Woohoo! That's strong. Smells amazing.
Nostrovia.
Nostrovia. Oh, that's nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
I love that forever. This glass shape and this sound, by the way, as you walk down the street and hear people stirring their tea, will forever make me think of Istanbul. So cozy, so comforting.